Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So here we have received an update from DJI regarding the new version release of DJI FLY app. So currently we were using version 1.6.1 and the new version that DJI has launched is 1.6.4. So we will be soon installing the version 1.6.4 on our Android phone and we'll be checking out whether there is any changes in the interface, and we'll also be checking whether we will be able to fly our drone more than 15 meters or not. So guys, this version is to add more customization functions to DJI RC Pro remote, and this is specially for DJI Mini 3. So guys, as you can see in the about section, the current DJI FLY app version is 1.6.1. so we have started downloading the latest DJI FLY app version. So once the download is completed, you will receive a pop-up message saying that do you want to update the DJI FLY app version. So once you click on update, your app will start updating, and the installation is done. You need to reopen your DJI FLY app. It will take few seconds to just collect the resources, and here in the max altitude we can see that still it is stuck to 15 meters, and the about section you will be able to see the app version is 1.6.4. so whenever you guys update your DJI FLY app, make sure that go to the advanced settings, and here in the signal lost you need to select to RTH. So other than that, overall whole interface, whole settings are same. Nothing changed for DJI Mini 2 users. So now let's open the DH Companion and test whether we are able to bypass the 15 meters. So when you open the DH Companion, just detach and attach the cable as said in the previous videos. So for this you would require an internet connectivity. Once you are logged in, then you need to click on 500 meters and enable FCC. Once that is done, you need to open back your DJI FLY app, and as said before, just detach and attach your phone cable. And once that is done, here in the max altitude you are able to see that from 15 meters it has moved to 500 meters. That means DH Companion is working totally fine. So guys, to give you a small update regarding the Dronehacks certificate, so you guys know that after the aircraft version 1.04 update, the Dronehacks certificate is not working on DJI Mini 2 and even on DJI Mini 1 and SC. So I tried installing the certificate even after this DJI FLY app version update, but I was unable to install the Dronehacks certificate. As per the Dronehacks team, they have not yet found any solution for this particular issue. So once I get any update from Dronehacks team, I will definitely update you guys regarding that. For now, the only solution is DH Companion and the Litchi application and Rainbow application. So guys, I just reopened my DJI FLY app and max altitude is back to 15 meters. So whenever we close and reopen the DJI FLY app, max altitude will be set back to 15 meters. So now we will open the Litchi application and see whether we are able to reset the 15 meters to 500 meters or not. When we open the Litchi application, we need to go to the aircraft settings. So as you can see on the screen, and here you will find the max altitude. You need to change it from 15 meters to 500 meters and just reopen the DJI FLY app and just detach and attach your cable. And once that is done, in the max altitude tab you can see that your 15 meters is set back to 500 meters, means Litchi application is also working totally fine guys. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.